All right, so I'm going to look at problem 25 on the homework review, or not the homework review, the test review for chapter 3. So problem 25, I have, suppose the revenue R in thousands of dollars that a company receives from producing X thousand compact disc players is given by the formula. The function of R given X is equal to X times 60 minus 3x. And what we want to do is evaluate R of 3, which is what will be the value when we've sold 3,000 compact disc players. So we want the thousands of dollars. So an R of 3, I plop 3 into R, and I get 3 times 60 minus 3 times 3, which is 3 times 60 minus 9, by 3 times 51, which is 153. And so that means if they produce and sell 3,000 compact disc players, CD players, they take in revenue $153,000. And so our revenue function comes from that. How many CD players should they produce to maximize their revenue? And so maximizing, we're going to realize, hey, this function is quadratic. So I'm going to multiply the x through, and I'm going to write it in descending order. And we're going to realize that x is maximized. The maximal number when the x value, I'll put max for there, is negative b over 2a, which in this case is negative 60 over 2a is negative 6, or 10. And so they're saying that they should produce the maximum amount of CD players they should produce to maximize revenue they need to produce 10,000 CD players. All right. And then so the last question is, well, what is the maximum revenue? Well, the maximum revenue happens when we produce those 10,000 CD players. And so I'll take 10 and I'll throw it into each of these parts of the function. So I'll put 10 into x and 10 into x. So I get 600 minus 300, or $300,000. And so the maximum revenue they can do for producing this product is $300,000 coming across.